And that's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. I thought I'd switch it up and show you guys my style of a cinematic montage. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It was nice to see and experience an area away from the modern city of Dubai and to get a feel for the heritage part and away from the steel and glass architecture and more of that warm beige tones that you get from traditional architectural finishes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to turn the bell notification on so you can be alerted for the next episode. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you an area, a city away from Dubai. So that will be cool. If you're new to the channel, hit the banners at the top to see the previous episodes so you can get a feel for what APS is all about. And I'll see you in the next video.